I'm a T-Rex in the jungle, hear my mighty roar. But I'd rather sing a jingle than go stomping like before. With my tiny little arms and my big old feet, I dance to the rhythm and I swing to the beat. Oh, I'm a T-Rex, singing in the trees, buzzing like the bumblebees, floating on the breeze. No more chasing dinos, no more scary scenes, just tunes and sunshine and leafy greens. Yeah, I used to growl and grumble, shake the jungle floor, but now I hum a harmony that dinos all adore. Monkeys swing along and parrots clap their wings. Even grumpy old Triceratops has learned to love my swing. Yeah, I'm a T-Rex, singing with the birds, turning all my roars into musical words. Who needs a hunt when you've got good cheer? I'd rather belt a ballad than inspire fear. I've got a jungle mic made of coconut shell and vines for a stage where I sing so well. The frogs go ribbit in my backup band, and a snake on the drums really steals the jam. So if you're stomping mad or feeling low, come to my concert in the Fernie show. We'll laugh, we'll dance, we'll howl at the moon with a jungle beat and a dino tune. 'Cause I'm a T-Rex, crooning through the night. My heart's full of music and my teeth are bright.